Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Medicine Cabinets.
Number 5.
Kohler KCBCLC 2526 FS frameless. Anodized aluminum construction with a durable rust-free and chip-free finish. Two adjustable tempered glass shelves. Mirrors on back of door and interior back of cabinet. Includes mounting hardware for surface or recessed installation. Reversible for left or right hand opening.
Number 4.
Elegant Home Fashions 7442 Neil. White finish frame complemented by clear acrylic door knobs. Adjustable interior shelf for organizational options. Door magnet and hinges are pre-hung. Surface mount. Hardware included. Tempered glass enhances the safety.
Number 3.
Kohler KCBCLC 2026 FS frameless. 20 WX26 HX5 D-rust-free silver aluminum cabinet. Beveled edge frameless mirror door is reversible for left or right hand opening. Mirrors on back of door and interior back of cabinet. Two adjustable tempered glass shelves. Includes mounting hardware for surface or recessed installation, and side mirror kit for surface installation.
Number 2.
Fasago mirror cabinet, bathroom wall storage. True all-rounder, mirror and covered in one clearly image for getting ready doing. Reliable quality. Our mirror cabinet is made of premium MDF, P2 grade. Utilize wall space. Simply attach this wall cabinet to the wall to turn an empty wall in your bathroom. Hassle-free storage. Shelf has 3 height settings behind the door, 1 open compartment at the bottom and 2 lateral. "100% satisfaction guaranteed," numbered parts and illustrated instructions for easy assembly.
Number 1.
Yahidek mirrored bathroom wall storage. Adjustable shelf. Features adjustable shelf behind the door, and the height can be adjusted at 3 height levels. Magnetic door. Strong suction prevents items from falling out. The door comes with a fashionable mirror. Waterproof. The cabinet adopts waterproof and moisture-proof coating process, suitable for damp environment. Versatile and practical, compact size and practical function make it suitable for bathroom. Save space. Yahida cabinet is the perfect storage solution for home. Its design maximizes the space